Setting up appointments in GoHighLevel is one of the easiest way to keep your business organized and make sure your clients or leads can book time with you without any back and forth. So in this video, I will show you how to quickly set up the appointments step by step. So even if you are completely new to GoHighLevel, you will feel confident to managing your calendar and making schedule simple for everyone. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing, and remember, if you use our link from the description, you will get the 30 days free trial, access to the live bootcamp, and exclusive bonuses to help you start using GoHighLevel right away. Now, from all of this conversation, select the person with who you want to start the appointment or send the appointment. So let's say I want to send the appointment to our a team member, let's say. So here, after selecting the person, you will see there is a option for this appointment icon. Just simply click on this and click on this book appointment button. Here you will be see there is a pop-up will be open. Just simply select all of these things, the calendar for the person. I have selected the person who is this, and just give it a name. I'm just giving it a name. Then just you can set the calendar default, or if you want to add any calendar with team member 1, like you have any calendar before to create this person. So here you can select the calendar default for your own as a default, or if you want to add a calendar format of your team member, then you can select that. So I'm just keeping this as it is, the default one. Then set the time for you. So I'm just also keeping this as it is. Then you can adjust the time slot. So let's say I want to add for the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and after that just simply click on this book appointment, and you can see we have already sent a book appointment right now. Let's say view appointment, and you can see we have already set the appointment. So basically that's all. Once you set up your appointment in GoHighLevel, your schedule becomes effortless. You will reduce the missed call, and your client will love the simplicity of booking the time with you. It's a simple setup that makes a big difference for productivity and the client satisfaction. So if you want to try it yourself, make sure to use our link in the description to get the 30 days free trial and access to the live bootcamp and the exclusive bonuses. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.